Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for older women. As we get older, many of us want a hairstyle that looks beautiful without needing too much time or effort. A good low maintenance haircut should be easy to wash, easy to style and comfortable to wear. It should also suit your hair texture and make you feel confident. Let's look at some beautiful ideas. First we have the classic short bob. This is one of the easiest and most timeless haircut. A short bob can be worn straight, slightly wavy or naturally textured. It gives the hair a clean shape and does not need complicated styling. Next is the short pixie cut. A pixie haircut is perfect for women who want very easy hair care. The shorter length means less washing, drying and styling time. You can simply use your fingers to shape the hair and add a little styling product if needed. Another lovely choice is the layered bob. Soft layers can give the hair movement and make it look light and fresh. This style is especially nice for women who want some volume without spending a lot of time styling their hair. If you prefer a little more length, try a shoulder length layered haircut. This style gives you enough length to change your look, while the layers help the hair fall naturally. You can wear it down, tuck it behind your ears, or make a simple ponytail. The short textured crop is another excellent low maintenance option. The texture gives the hair a natural and modern appearance. You do not need perfect styling. A quick finger comb can often be enough. For women with fine or thin hair, a short layered haircut can be a good choice. Light layers can help create movement and give the appearance of fuller hair. Avoid making too many heavy layers because a simple shape can often look better and healthier. Another easy style is the chin length bob. This haircut beautifully frames the face and can be very simple to manage. If your hair is naturally straight, you may only need a quick brush to make it look polished. For naturally wavy hair, a short wavy bob can be a wonderful choice. Instead of fighting your natural texture, let your waves become part of the style. Apply a small amount of styling cream and allow the hair to dry naturally or use a differs. The side swept bangs is another elegant option. The hairstyles short, but the longer top can be brushed to one side. This creates a soft and feminine look while keeping the hair daily routine simple. You can also try a short feathered haircut. Feathered layers create a soft shape around the face. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.